Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is Nike Space HIPPIE 04 Summit White Hyper Crimson woman shoes. Was unisex actually. So this one is the woman's size 8. The star number on this is CD 3476-100. Colorway is Summit White, Hyper Crimson, Vast Gray White. Original retail on this was $130 and it was dropped on July 3rd, 2020. So somehow my son got this pair and let's go ahead and unbox this and then show you guys. So the box is pretty big, but when I was trying to carry around, actually it is pretty lightweight. Maybe the recycled material that they use is pretty light. Wow. So the box is kind of banged up, so right now it's upside down. So this is the bottom of the box. And it says box made in Vietnam. So it is all blank, except on this side with the size label. So the retail is $130. Let's go ahead and zoom in real quick. And be sure to look at the left-hand side for the barcode. Let's go ahead and open this up. Wow, look at that. It says Nike Space HIPPIE. Got the swoosh right here. QR code. Nike Trash Transformed. So this is made out of trash, guys. So and still worth about $130. So what do you guys think? You think it's a ripoff? So I'm not sure if that's a serial number or what is that. So this is the pair right here. Got this loop lace system. What the? So weird. I'm not sure. Did I miss this side right here? This is your Nike embroidery stitching right here on this side. And this is mixed with all the different color. And right here you got the Nike. Embroidery on there and stitching. And this side got the orange Nike swoosh. It is stitched on there. I don't really like this because my son has one of this before and it got ripped. And you got the Nike swoosh right here on the top of the tongue and then 04. And nothing on this side. There's like a kind of netting right here. More like a fish net. Let's go and take out the insole right here and check out the label. Oh my god. So it is sticky. I'm not sure if this is supposed to be removed or glued on there or what is going on, but right here is not sticky. But from here on, you can hear it. Manufacture date on this is March 13, 2020. And then on the left hand side, I got the November 6, 2019. And then that's a UPC code right there. So it is made in Vietnam. And you got the Nike swoosh logo right here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 cutout right there. Let's go ahead and turn on the lights real quick. Check on the inside. Alright, let's go ahead and check on the inside. Check out the stitching. And you got the number 8 right there for the size 8. So this is almost like a, I don't know, feel like a fly net material. And this one feel like a tennis ball material. Let's go and check out the other shoes. And this is what's it look like on the inside the box. Move to 0. Oh, I forgot to check out the outsole. Here's the outsole. Right here is like a grayish color. And then right here is white with all those colorful particles. And then you got the plus sign. And right here is another dark, well, like a light grayish color with the Nike swoosh. So right here is like a elastic, okay? Yeah, those kind of lace system, I don't like it. You just have like a thin string for the lace, and they tend to rip if you not Now be careful with it or scrape this against something. It's gonna tear apart. Let me take this one now, see if there's a glue still on there. Yeah, you can see the indentation right here, or the glue marking from here on, and it's all sticky. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.